What's up, guys? Today we got a very special product feature for you, the Thrunite T3 tactical flashlight. Get a good look at this puppy here up close. It's nice and small, durable, but very, very strong. High power. Two modes. You got your light mode and then you get your high powered mode. Okay, guys, let's go put this flashlight to the test. Okay, guys, we're in an abandoned factory. And we're just using this location to test out the flashlight and see how it performs, okay? Well, as you can see, it's raining out. Lots of water coming in through the ceiling and through the floors. This is a pretty good location for this because it's really dark and big, so you can get an idea of how this flashlight will perform under dark situations. And as you can already see, it's really doing a good job. I'm only using the flashlight to light this up. Nothing else, guys. So I'm gonna take you guys into a really cool room, show you guys something neat that you're probably really gonna get a kick out of. This is a room full of deer antlers. Right here, guys. This entire room is just a big pile of deer antlers. And this pile gets bigger and bigger and bigger every year. Is this not the weirdest thing you've ever seen? Like, it just doesn't end. They just keep going, guys. Deer antlers, and they're not even fake, guys. These are real, legitimate deer antlers, and there are thousands of them in here. Thousands. Are you seeing this? This is crazy. There you go, see? They're moldy. Some of them not so old, some of them really old. It's so weird. Just a room full of deer antlers. Like, isn't that just crazy? Okay, so we're gonna move along here, guys, from the room with the deer antlers. But again, as you can see, Thrunite T3 really, really delivering in a big, dark space. If you needed something like this for camping or working on your car or something, it definitely would work. It delivers a good, strong throw, good, seriously strong light. So you guys are gonna like this location. It's got some pretty cool stuff. Let's go check it out. Let's see, is it this room here? I'll go this way, all right. There's some more deer antlers just sitting there. Isn't that weird, guys? They're just these ones are huge. It's like somebody picked these ones out specifically to keep. All right. There's a big truck in here. You see that? It's getting weirder, guys. It's just getting weirder in here. We got a couple killer whales in here. Is that something or what? Killer whales. Totally random. Well, this is weird. It's these big balls. There's 4 giant balls. What do these even do? And then there's a chest, and then 4 big balls. What the heck are these things for, guys? Weird. There's an ice cream truck in here. Guys, this place is weird, hey? Holy crap, there's more. There's like 3 more of them over here. Check this out, guys. Ice cold drinks, hot dogs. This is weird. And there's like thousands of picnic tables. Like literally thousands of picnic tables. The Thrunite T3 Rechargeable Everyday Carry Flashlight is an ideal flashlight for camping, hiking, backpacking, and so much more. Made of a solid black aluminum with an included lithium-ion battery, the T3 weighs only 77 grams. The Thrunite T3 throws a 2,250 lumens beam for a very impressive 301 meters, which makes this a very powerful flashlight given its small size. Hit the link in the video description down below to get your very own Thrunite T3 rechargeable flashlight. Okay guys, hope you guys have learned enough about the Thrunite T3 to be interested in picking yourself one up. Guys, it is the perfect size flashlight. Not too big, it's not too small, and it packs even more light than some of my larger flashlights that I have from Thrunite. So guys, this is an excellent forever flashlight if you're into the everyday carry tactical type of flashlights. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like this super weird location with the antlers, the killer whales, weird stuff, guys. Thrunite link down below. Hit the link, buy yourself a Thrunite flashlight. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.